the ability to collaborate and the ability to translate to the developer
Totally.
side of things.
Yeah, passing off design files had never been easier. With, Sketch, it was a little bit more of a convoluted process where it's like, okay, you have the sketch file, it's done. How do you present the sketch file to the client? You can't really present it with Sketch because that's a design software. So that's one thing that Figma really knocked out of the park. Is it's like, we're going to be the design software, but also you can pitch with Figma. So that's like, game changer. Before, you needed to have like a third party app like InVision, so we would design something in Sketch, bring it over to InVision, use the InVision document to present to the client, get the client's feedback in InVision, and then interpret that InVision content, move it back into the Sketch, make another version of the Sketch. So it was always back and forth, uploading, and it was just kind of a nightmare. So being able to have all of that within Figma is a huge, huge benefit.